Hi everyone, in this video we are going to do complete business analysis of Kpit company. We will know the company, what company does, how are the financial results and is the company good for long-term investment? If yes, what levels we should buy the stock. This video is very informative and before investing in any stock, you must know the company. So in this case, you can trust the company more and you are aware that your money is not going to be wasted. So let's start. If you want to see detailed analysis of one more growing IT company that is Happiest Minds, then you can watch this video. Link is in the description. Also, you can check this FMCG stock, Varun Beverages. To know about KPIT, we should know what is embedded software and system. Just like we have embedded softwares in washing machines, televisions, so that they can perform actions based on some software that is embedded on it. But many of you would be thinking that what is embedded software? So if a machine is controlled by some computer software, just like some code, then it is known as embedded system. It is typically specialized for a particular hardware that it runs on and has some time and memory constraints. So similar to washing machines, KPIT business is in developing these embedded systems in automobile industry so that we have functionality just like sensors and many more. So they are across the globe, specialized in embedded software, AI, and digital solutions. They have development centers in USA, Japan, China, Thailand, and India. Also, Renault has chosen them as a strategic partner for next generation software defined vehicles. So research and development is one of the important aspects of this company. So now we will go through this presentation, that is the investor update quarter 3 for year 2023, and this presentation happened on January 31st, 2023. So we will go through the performance overview. So here you can see the revenue grow by 31.9% year-on-year basis and 17.3% from the previous quarter. If we talk about the net profit has grown by 43.5% from last year and 20.4% on quarterly basis. If we talk about EBITDA has also increased by 47.7% year-on-year basis and 22.9% from the previous quarter. So the results look really good and promising to me. Next, we will talk about additional facts, time series. So here you can see the revenue has been growing consistently from the previous 10 quarters. And also EBITDA has also been increasing from the previous 10 quarters consistently. So as mentioned here, 10 consecutive quarters for steady revenue growth and steady EBITDA growth. So they are showing consistent performance. This is what an investor should look for before buying a stock of a company. So consistent performance is a key that determines whether the stock is good or not. Here the company is providing consistent growth, so the investor could easily trust the company and can expect good profit in future. Next, we have some management codes. So these are some management codes. You can pause the video and go through it. Now we will look at some new engagements. So Renault Group has selected KPIT as a strategic technology partner for next generation software defined vehicles program. Now, a leading European car manufacturers and American car manufacturers has selected KPIT for electric powertrain domain, connected vehicles domain, vehicle engineering design and diagnostics domain, autonomous driving and connected vehicles domain, electric powered train and connected vehicles domain. So KPIT has gained a lot of trust from these European and American car manufacturers and they are ready to work with KPIT for long term. So these are some achievements by KPIT. Now, next, they are dealing with societal development commitment. They are working in the fields of environment, education, energy, and engagement by making this world a better place to live in, transforming lives of people through science and technology education. Some of the examples are water conservation, forest conservation, alternate energy, renewable energy, dedicated time, COVID warriors. So KPIT is socially responsible corporate citizen in each country it works. So here you can see KPITians from USA are helping by making the world cleaner and greener. Next, we have generous donations from KPIT Thailand employees. Now we'll be looking at the financial and operational data, which is really important. Here, all the numbers are in INR million. So we'll check out the revenue from the operations. The revenue from the operation from the previous year increased from 6,000 to 9,000, and from the previous quarter it increased from 7,000 to 9,000. Other income has also increased from the previous quarter from 94 to 210, and also increased from the previous year from 80 to 210. So the total income from the previous year has increased from 6,000 to 9,000, and from the previous quarter it increased from 7,543 to 9,381. The operating expenses has also increased from 5,000 from the previous year to 7,000, and also increased from the previous quarter from 6,000 to 7,472. EBITDA has also increased from 1,149 to 1,698 from the previous year, and also increased from the previous quarter by 1,381 to 1,698. Next, if we check the profit after tax has also increased from 703 to 1,040 on year-on-year basis, and 835 to 1,040 from the previous quarter. So the company is giving good revenue growth, good profit and EBITDA. However, the expenses are also increasing. Now let's check out the revenue breakup. We'll check out for verticals and business units. Firstly, let's check out for passenger cars. The revenue has increased on year-on-year basis by 40% and on quarterly basis by 24.1%. However, for commercial vehicles, from the previous quarter it has decreased by 1.1% but increased by 15% on year-on-year basis. Let's check out for business units. Feature development and integration. The revenue has increased by 20.6% on year-on-year basis and 10.3% from the previous quarter. For architecture and middleware consulting, the revenue has increased by 50.1% from the previous quarter and 73% on year-on-year basis. Now let's check for cloud-based and connected services. The revenue has increased by 20.8% from the previous quarter and 49.8% from the previous year. Now, if we check out the revenue by geography, for the US, it has increased by 16.3% on year-on-year basis and 1.7% on previous quarter. For Europe, the revenue has increased by 62.2% on year-on-year basis and 38.6% from the previous quarter. For Asia, the revenue has decreased by 0.8% from the previous quarter and also decreased by 0.2% from the previous year. Lastly, if we check out the headcount, the number of employees has been increasing from the previous year from 7,826 to 10,490, and also increased from the previous quarter as it was 9,916 and now it is 10,490. So the market cap of KPIT is 22,855 crores. The current price of the stock is 834 rupees. It has made a highest of 876 and lowest of 440, and they also provide a dividend of 0.37%. If we see the 3-year-old chart, the company was trading at around 53 rupees, and from there it has shown us good positivity and provided good returns, and currently trading around 800. So I won't recommend to buy the stock for now. Wait for a small pullback of 10 to 15%, and then it will be a good opportunity to buy the stock. Now these are some of the competitors. The leading one is Mphasis, Tata Elxsi, L&T Technologies, Persistent System, and KPIT ranks 8th among them. Now we look at the shareholding pattern. We will compare the previous quarter. The promoter shareholdings looks pretty constant from the previous quarter as it was 40.10, and currently again it is 40.10. However, the FIIs has increased their stake from the previous quarter as it was 16.89 and now it is 20.30. The DIIs has decreased their stake from 13.52 to 12.69 from the previous quarter, and also the public holdings has been decreased from 28.08 to 25.44. Others has also increased their stake from 1.38 to 1.46. So I'm pretty sure if someone has invested in this stock, then they are looking for long-term profits. I hope you like the detailed analysis. If I missed something, then do let me know in comments. Also, if you want detailed analysis of any company, then please comment and also subscribe to my channel to get notified. Thank you for listening.